Hello, I'll show you how to add an image to Excel. In this video, you will see two ways how to put image. First method Microsoft way, and second method drag and drop. It's a useful way to enhance your spreadsheets. Normally we do, click the Insert tab, then Picture. Place the image in a cell or over it. Select the image from your computer and adjust its size by dragging the corners in the Excel sheet. Sometime, we need to do lot of images put in Excel sheet, and normal way it take long time. Unlike MS Word, Excel doesn't support drag and drop images. If you try to drag and drop into Excel sheet, it doesn't come in. I have an easier method how to do drop and drag. Open a blank Word document next to Excel. Drag the image into first Miss Word, blank documents, resize if needed, then drag it into Excel. This is the fastest way to add images.